Answer. Unya chance babro chira diwenum. Don't sit there and say me send this car come abusuafo. Oda one we we me kwa so me kwa na obi ton. And then I just had to bring some home. 10 kinkies. Watch it a bottle. Watch it plate 2. In a bag and schema a top lot, but over any day. Eating is very necessary, you know. Let me just put this down. So yes, guys, welcome back. And I know, let me just try and come closer. This is better. Yeah. I just came back from church. I came back. My bread, but I just need to put the video out there. I do remember some time ago I made a video talking about driver's license, taking a knowledge test of class 7, and I did not update you guys on the way forward. So the last video I stated that I got my class 7, but it was like a temporary paper form. But now I got the actual license. This is the license. I'm just showing the back side. I don't want to show the front side, but let me just try and cover stuff here. You guys can see my face there. I don't know if that is visible. Can you guys see? Okay, so the license is in. I got my class 7 license right now. This is not a video to brag or to, tell you this or that, but this is more of informing you guys that if ever you do have the ability or chance, like if you've been driving from back home, it doesn't matter the country, if you've been driving from Ghana, South Africa, Namibia, Kenya, and you get the opportunity to come to Canada, I think you should put this on your list. This should always be on your bucket list. It's easy to get, it's not that expensive. With $17 and a couple of bucks, you should be able to obtain this as long as you take the knowledge test and you pass it. You are eligible to hold the class 7. And the fun part is it also allows you to drive, but like I said, it's not like you can drive alone. You need to have someone with a class 5 with you. So it's always nice that you do have this. As soon as you get in the country, try as much as possible to work on your license. It's a very nice thing, and you can even use this as a form of identity. If ever there is a situation that they need you to identify yourself, you can always provide this to either a police officer or whoever. I've got my hands on my class 7. I'm now eligible. What's the English? I'm now eligible to drive in Canada, but once again, I must have someone with a class 5 with me in the vehicle. And yeah, so I don't want someone to be by my side. I need the actual license in order to operate businesses and all that. Once again, I gave them my license. I gave them, I can't remember, I think code C or so. I gave them my South African driver's license, which I'm able to drive trucks in SA. So this is not really helping. So I need to quickly jump to the class 5, which I'm making arrangements on. So this is more of an update. If ever you find yourself in Canada, try as much as possible to get your hands on the driver's license. It's very necessary. Sometimes even if you're applying for a job, you're like, you need to have a driver's license. There is even a situation where I've come like cleaning, mobbing, they're asking for driver's license. Like, it's just crazy. Who needs driver's license when you are seeking for cleaning job? Only in Canada. Like, imagine. So yeah, it is very necessary. Everybody needs to at least get this. As long as you study the theory, it's just a PDF. Just try to study it and you should be good to go. And once again, if you need a PDF of what you need to study, you are in Alberta, just link up. I'll share it to you for free. It's about 101 questions and 30 of them will surely come from that. So always be prepared. And yeah, it is a very nice. Staying in Canada without driving can be a headache. Trust me. I'm not even sure it's only about Canada. I think even in USA, it's the same. In SA, you can always improvise. You can get a taxi, caravan, Quantum, Uber, and it's cheaper. But here, Uber is not cheap. I think the cheapest Uber might charge you for around town, probably $8. and that's a lot. Like, I've spent a whole lot of money on Uber system, and it's just crazy. I've even got to the point that I had to get myself a bus pass. Like, I got myself this bus pass for 1 month. So this is about $100, yeah, and you can be able to take the bus unlimitedly. So it's just crazy. But if you have a license, and it's not like vehicles are even expensive in this country. Vehicles are crazily cheap. I, I think the least you can even get a vehicle is about $1,000. And $1,000, if you're someone who is really working in Canada, I think you can even use 2 weeks or probably a week to get that. It all depends. So obtaining a vehicle is pretty much easy. So I'm still in process trying to go for the actual road test in order to obtain the class 5 so I can start the process of this whole driving. It's quite a process, so you guys must just chill. And yeah, I won't be able to upload every now and then. These days I'm getting extremely busy. Like, there's a lot of things on me, this, that, a whole lot. So one step at a time, but I know that I will definitely bring videos, even if it takes a year. Just watch out for me. I will keep bringing videos. So yeah, this is just an update. The license is in, and yeah, if you ever come into Canada, or if you are in Canada, try to get your hands on one. I think all the provinces offer this. Ontario, Newfoundland is the same process. You just take a knowledge test. I think the questions might differ depending on where you are. I'm not sure, but it's pretty much easy. Just have this and you should be fine. So guys, thanks for coming. This is just an update. Like I said, if you are new on the channel, hit on the subscribe button. If you have any questions, link me up on IG. I have deactivated my TikTok, but you can always reach me on IG or Facebook, and I should be able to give you all the guidelines that you need. Guys, thank you for coming. Let me go finish that kinky. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.